In many UI frameworks or libraries, if you click outside of the dialog element, it will cancel and close. But when clicking outside of the dialog using the native HTML dialog, it will not close. In this setup, I can close the dialog if I click on the close button, but if I click outside, I cannot close it. First, I need to create a select query for the dialog. When trying to close a dialog, make sure that you use show modal instead of the show method because you need the backdrop to cover the screen that the dialog doesn't. And the show method creates a dialog without a backdrop. Next, we will have to make sure that JavaScript is listening when we are clicking on the backdrop and knowing to close it. We can do that by creating a query selector for the dialog and then for the click event to make sure that the target and the current target are the same. While this does work, there are still some issues with the areas in the dialog that can incidentally be the same target and the current target, like this area next to the button. To prevent this from happening, create a container or wrapper div as a direct only child of the dialog. There is one more blind spot that you should be aware of, and that the dialog element comes with padding by default, and if you click by the edge of the dialog, it will close. To fix that, just change the padding for dialog to 0, and if you want to have padding, just do it from the wrapper element. If you like this HTML tip, check out my other tutorials and don't forget to do the usual like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.